The Lava Blaze NXT unveiled last week is now on sale in India. It comes in glass blue, glass red, and glass green colors and can be purchased from Amazon.in or Lava India's website for 9,299 Indian rupees $115 per €110. The Lava Blaze NXT is powered by the Helio G37 SoC, sports a 6.5 inches HD Plus LCD, and runs Android 12 out of the box. It has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of storage on board, which can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. The Blaze NXT has a glass back sporting a fingerprint reader and a triple camera setup, headlined by a 13 megapixels camera. And on the front is an 8MP shooter for selfies and video calls. Fueling the entire package is a 5000 mAh battery that draws power through a USB-C port.